President William Ruto anyitanira na etekia kanitha-ini wa AIC Bomani Machakos igongona-ini ria mwihitwa wa utungata ria Bishop Benson Kalanzo. President uria akoretwo agiukirirwo kumana na ciraniro mahinda kwa mahinda riu ni eteteire akiuga akoretwo akinyitwo uria gutari amwe ni mundu wa cionekiria augite bururi ubatie gukorwo hingitie.
Meambiwa na watu wengi, wewe umepromise kabisa Kenya, ulipromise. Mimi nataka niwaeleze, it is not over promising. We are raising our ambition as a nation. Unajua kwa muda mrefu tumekuwa tunakaa hapa average. Hapo average.
Haha ningi president akioya mweke wa gukomithia ngwataniro ya mung'ethaniro iria arauga ndionaga mawega ma thirikari na uguo akauga ndari na haho amwe agetha kura cia ikereka ria keri ni magaconoka kumana na wira uria egukorwo akinyaniirie.
We must stop being average. Yes, we must strive to be better and excellent. That is my mission. And I want to tell you, every promise I made, I intend to keep it in my term.
Na rere gukoretwo na mirurungano iria irehete ikuo moko-ini ma borithi. President ateire borithi akiuga wira wao ti ureri indi ni kung'ethanira na ekinae na uguo akauga aciari ona kanitha he handu mataranyita itemi ureri-ini.
The police are trained to deal with criminals. They are not trained in parenting. So, if you surrender your children to the police, what do you expect? Please. Every parent, including me, I take time to parent my children. And so must everybody. Sindio jameni? Yes. So, let us be responsible.
Kuria atongoria Ruto augite ngahiana ucogeri ndungikinyania matanya mao ma kuingira wathani-ini na wara akiuga thirikari yake ndikuregera hari kuhitana na atongoria aria mekugwetwo ucogeri-ini.
Viongozi wengine wanategemea ati fujo ikitokea ndio wataendelesha mambo yao ya siasa. Surely, you have no plan for Kenya. You are waiting for chaos and violence so that you can become something. That will be the rock bottom of any form of leadership.
Adu-ini ha Kameme TV retwa reko ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.